How long are you going to sit on these gems? How long are you going to sit on these gems? Not my gems, your gems. I know you've been biding your time in secret. I know. 'Cause I know I've been putting in work in secret as well. There's no secret. It doesn't need to be a secret. So how long are you going to sit on these gems? You've been working. You've been going hard. You have been your own best motivation, right? You are an expert in your field. And in this field, it's called life. At one point, are you going to release the floodgates? You've dammed the flow of pure consciousness, pure innovation. How long are you going to continue to do that? I personally think, in my humble opinion, that your time is now. I think the world has waited long enough for you. And you should put yourself out there. Put yourself out there. Again, at worst or at best, you fail and you take in that knowledge of failure. And I put quotations on failure because failure is actually a mind state. There's no true failure if you keep going forward. It just became a break, if you will, a rest point. Aren't you tired of resting? You gotta be tired of resting by now. Because I know you're tired of working. That's how you have to move if you want to be great. That's how you have to move. Those coals that have been smoldering inside of you, they're ready.